You've just uploaded your new video on YouTube, but you want to maximize its potential. You want that video to be seen. You want the video to go viral. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to give you the essential checklist to boost your views and engagement. What do you need to do after uploading your YouTube videos? I am going to tell you everything you need to do in this video. So please keep on watching and make sure you give this video a like and please subscribe. So let's dive in. First thing you need to do is after uploading your YouTube videos, you need to watch that video from your other YouTube account. It is very important as a YouTuber to have double accounts or maybe 3 or 4 accounts. It is really important. Or maybe you can use maybe your spouse's account, your parents, your sisters, your brothers. Use their account to watch your new video because it is very important. The moment you're posting your videos on YouTube, you know YouTube will recommend that video to at least maybe 5 or 10 people. That first 5 people or that first 10 people need to watch that video at least maybe halfway through for YouTube to recommend it to a wider audience. So you need to watch that video that you just uploaded. Make sure you watch it from start to finish, because when you watch it from start to finish, YouTube will actually see it as, okay, this video is good and let us recommend this video to a wider audience. So it is very important you open other YouTube channels. I'm not saying you should just open it and be watching all your videos, but it is important you need to have other YouTube accounts. So in case you're wondering and in case you don't know how to open a YouTube account or whatever, I've already done the video. I've made a video on how to open a YouTube account, and you can actually use one Gmail account to open multiple YouTube channels. It is very possible. You can use one phone, one Gmail account to open multiple YouTube channels. So please click that video card showing on your screen right now so that you can be able to open multiple YouTube channels to watch your video. When you watch it, it will register a good the YouTube algorithm will take it as that video is good. You get, so when your video is good, they will recommend it to a wider audience. So please open a new YouTube account, open multiple YouTube channels and watch your video. Or you can use your spouse's phone, your parents, your wife, your husband, use their phones to watch your own videos. Then your videos will go viral. I've tried it and it works. So do it right now. So number 2 tip, the next thing you need to do after uploading your videos is to promote your videos. After uploading your videos on your YouTube channel, make sure you promote them. But a lot of us make this mistake where maybe you post your videos, after posting your videos, you start promoting them immediately. No, you need to wait at least 24 hours before you promote that video to other social media platforms. When you upload your videos and you promote them immediately, it will send a bad signal to the YouTube algorithm. So you need to stop doing that. Make sure you wait for at least 24 hours before you upload or before you promote your videos to other social media platforms. When you promote your videos before 24 hours, the YouTube algorithm will not the YouTube algorithm will not recommend that particular video to a wider audience. They will just leave you to do your thing. They will just the system will just leave you to promote your videos, and it will be like that when you upload your next video. So please allow YouTube to do its thing. Let your channel, that video grow organically. Post the video and let YouTube do the magic. That is what I will tell you. Then after 24 hours, you can promote the video to other social media platforms. So please promote your videos, but don't promote it too early. Allow YouTube to work its magic. Then after 24 hours, you can promote it to other social media platforms, and you can ask your friends in other social media platforms to click the link and watch your videos. Before I continue, please bear with me. I live in a very noisy place, so please bear with me. You'll be hearing all this background noise and all this stuff. Just leave the noise. So the third tip, the third thing you need to do after uploading your videos is to pay attention to your comment section. You see, your comments drives engagement, just like your other social media platforms. For example, Facebook and Instagram, for example. When you post a picture of yourself and someone comments and you reply to that comment, Instagram will recommend or will show that picture you posted to other people. So comments drives engagement. Same thing happens on YouTube. When you post your videos, don't just disappear. Make sure you are there when someone comments on your video, and make sure you comment as soon as possible, because when you comment, that person might likely watch that video again and your watch time will grow. And also, when you comment and when you respond to comments, YouTube will automatically recommend that video to other people. And make sure you ask your audience, like you ask engaging questions. Make sure you drop questions in your comment section. Ask them question: what did you learn from this video? What was your favorite part? What is your greatest takeaway from this video? Just ask them questions so that they will reply to the comments. When they reply and when they discuss in the comment section, YouTube will see it as this video is driving a lot of engagement and all that. So let us recommend it to a wider audience. So make sure you please answer your comments. It is very important to answer comments. Don't leave your viewers hanging. Don't leave your viewers hanging. And the more you answer comments, the more people will likely comment, because there is this joy when someone, like when a channel owner replies a comment from just, like, it is very someone like me now. If I comment on a big YouTuber's page or YouTuber's channel, when that YouTuber replies my comment, I am very grateful. Like, it is very special for me. I don't know for you, but it is very special for me. So please make sure you reply comments. The more you reply comments, the more YouTube will recommend that video to other audience. The fourth thing you need to do after uploading your videos on YouTube is to check your YouTube analytics. A lot of us don't check the YouTube analytics. It is very important that you check it. If you don't check the YouTube analytics, you're hurting your channel. You are destroying your channel by yourself. So please do yourself a favor and check your analytics. It is important, because when you check it, especially your audience retention, you're going to see where viewers started dropping off. You're going to see where they started getting bored, where they started skipping and all that. Me, for example, when I check my analytics, I noticed that people usually stop watching when I introduce myself or when I ask them to subscribe. So I've changed. I'm no longer introducing myself because I noticed that people usually drop off when I'm introducing myself. So it is not important. My name is already there. The name of my channel is there. So no need of me to introduce myself again, because that name is there already and my channel banner is there. So I just say like and subscribe. So that's it. Stop introducing yourself. Stop adding unnecessary intros and all that to make your viewers become bored and click off. Just go straight to the point. Nobody wants their time to be wasted. Go straight to the point. Check your YouTube Studio analytics. Check it. It is important, because when you check it, you will see all these things there. You're going to see how that video performed. You're going to see the feedback. How did your audience resonate with the video? You're going to see all these things and you're going to change your strategy. You're going to improve. You're going to know how you will correct yourself so that your videos will be good, so that YouTube will recommend your video to a wider audience. So please do yourself a favor and check that YouTube Studio analytics. You know how to check it. If you have the YouTube app, go to the YouTube, or go to the Studio version, the desktop version. Then follow the steps. Click on the analytics bar. Click on the particular video. Then you check how the video performed. Check the number of subscribers you got from that video, your audience retention, the watch time you got from that particular video. Then you're going to know how to create your other videos. For example, if you create a video and you got a lot of subscribers from that video and the watch time from the video was high, then you're going to create another video that looks like that video. You're going to start creating videos like that video. You get? That is why it's important to check your analytics, check your studio analytics. It is very important. The next tip I'll be giving you is to share your videos to your community. Share your videos to your community. As long as you have at least 10 subscribers, 20 subscribers, 30 subscribers, your community will be open. So make sure you share your videos immediately after posting it. It is on YouTube, not other social media platforms, because you might be thinking, oh, other social media platforms. No, I'm talking about your YouTube community. So after uploading your videos, make sure you post it on your community to ask people to watch, because when they see it, they will go and watch. And if you have other other YouTube channels, make sure you post it on the community bar. Make sure you post it there so that people will watch that video. That is the fifth thing you need to do after uploading your videos. Then the last and final thing I'll be telling you, the additional tip I'll be giving you, especially for those videos that no longer get views. I've tried this thing before and it works. It actually works. It works like magic. There was a video of mine that I was stuck at 100 views. Then I changed some things in it and the views started increasing. So when you do this thing that I'm about to tell you, that video will resurrect. I don't know the word to use. That video, that dead video, will start getting views again. So what you're going to do is, after you've uploaded your videos, maybe 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, and the video stopped getting views, what you're going to do is make sure you go back to that video and change the title, as long as the title you're changing it to still corresponds with the content of the video. So change the title, you can change the tags, change the description, change the hashtags, and make sure that as you're changing it, the stuffs you're changing it to is matches the content of the video. So when you change all these things, and also the thumbnail, when you change all these things, that video will start getting views. So just try it. I'm talking about how to resurrect a dead video. So when you do it, that video will start getting views again. So just go and try. By following these simple steps that I've provided, you will increase your video's visibility, the views, the engagement, and your earnings if you're monetized. So that's it. And the thing is, make sure you take action immediately after you upload. It is very important you take action immediately after you upload. Don't forget what I said about promoting your videos. Don't promote your videos immediately you upload them on YouTube. You have to wait at least 24 hours before you can send them to other social media platforms. Before I forget, in case you want to learn how to open a YouTube channel, or you want to learn how to use one Gmail account to open multiple YouTube channels, please click the video showing on your screen right now.